Hello and welcome to this video learning series of AutoCAD. After going through today's video, you will be able to work with the polyline tool and the spline tool. So let's start with the polyline tool first. The polyline tool is available in the draw panel of the Home tab. So to invoke this tool, click on it from the ribbon. The command line says specify start point. So click anywhere in the drawing area to specify the start point. Now we need to specify the next point. Again, click anywhere in the drawing area to specify the next point. Now you can see the command line is again asking for the next point. So we can keep on specifying these next points till we press the escape or enter keys. So I'll press escape to exit the polyline tool. Now, you might be thinking, what is the difference between a line and a polyline? So to understand this, let us invoke the line tool. This is the first point, second point, third point, fourth point, fifth point, sixth point, and seventh point. Again, I'll press escape to exit the line tool. So the above sketch is drawn using the line tool, and this one, it is drawn using the polyline tool. Now, if I click on this sketch, it will be selected at once, right from the start point to the end point, because we have drawn the sketch using the polyline tool. So the sketches drawn using the polyline tool are a single entity right from the start point to the end point. Now if I try to select this sketch, suppose I click here on this line segment. This line segment will be selected separately, and to select the entire sketch, we need to select each and every line segment separately. So the sketches drawn using the line tool are not a single entity. They are a series of line segments connected together. We can also select this sketch at once, but for that we need to know about the window selection methods, and the window selection methods, we'll discuss them in upcoming sessions. Now the polyline tool also has some additional options in it, which allow us to create arcs, specify width to the polyline, and so on. Let me delete these lines first. Now, the command alias for polyline tool is PL. So type PL in the command line and press enter. Specify the start point. Suppose I want to specify some width to the polyline. So what I'll do is I'll click on this width option in the command bar. Now the command line says specify starting width. Let us specify the starting width as 10. Now it is asking me for the ending width. Again, I'll press enter to accept the default value of 10. Now you can see width has been specified to the polyline. Now I can click anywhere in the drawing area to specify the length up to which I want my polyline to end. Again, I'll click on this width option. This time I will specify the starting width as 30 and ending width as 0. And let's see what happens. You can see an arrow shape there. Click at the desired location to specify the length of this arrow. This arrow is created because we specified the starting width as 30 and ending width as 0. Let me delete this one. Now the second tool that we are going to learn today is the spline tool, and it is available here in the draw panel. You need to expand the draw panel, and the very first tool is spline fit and the second tool is spline CV. Also the command alias for spline tool is SPL. So type SPL in the command line and press enter. Now click on this method option. Currently the spline creation method is set to fit method. Let's draw the spline using this fit method. So press enter. Now the command line says specify first point. It's the first point, the next point, next point, next point, next point. Press enter to exit the spline tool. Now let me draw another spline using the CV method. So type SPL in the command line and press enter. Again click on this method option and this time choose CV option from the command bar. Now draw the spline. Press enter when you are done. Now this spline is drawn using the fit method and this spline is drawn using the CV method. If I click this spline, you can see the fit points lie on the spline. I can edit the shape of the spline using these fit points or grips you can call. Now let me select this spline drawn using the CV method. You can see the control vertices are located outside the spline. I can modify the spline using these control vertices. So these are the kind of splines that we can draw in AutoCAD. I hope this video was quite helpful for you. Thank you.